Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix we can't find your camera error 0 times A0xA00F4244 in Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. The very first step that you need to do is at the start icon, you need to do a right click, scroll up and go with settings. Okay, so once you have successfully opened your settings, directly proceed to the left side of it and you need to look for privacy and security. Click on it. And here, under the privacy and security section, you need to scroll down and proceed to app permissions. At the second of it, you can see their camera. Click it to continue. And here, you need to make sure that under the camera access, it is on. And let apps access your camera, it is on or enabled. And might as well here, the camera under the let apps access your camera, it is on. Once done, check if your problem has been fixed. Okay? Unless if it doesn't, then let's move on to our second step, which is here again in the settings. You need to proceed to system. Okay. And scroll down under the system tab and look for troubleshoot. So once you find it, click it. And here it has three options. Proceed to the third one, which contains other troubleshooters. Click on it. And here you need to look for camera. So you can see there camera. So just click on run to run the troubleshooters. So the moment you've run the troubleshooters, it will fix the problem for you. Just have to finish the procedure. It is very easy and it takes less of time and I'm sure your problem will be fixed. Okay? So once done, check if your problem has been fixed. Okay? And I'm sure it will be fixed. Okay? So the third method that you could do is here again at the system and at other troubleshooters, you need to look for Windows Store apps. So in my case, I don't have such, but if in your case you have that, you can run the troubleshooters of it as well. Okay, just finish the procedure again, and I'm sure it will fix your problem. Okay, and let's say if he doesn't fix your problem, then let's move on to our fourth step, which is at the start icon again, do a right click, scroll up, and this time we need to go with device manager. Okay, so here you need to expand the device manager first. And here you need to look for cameras. Okay, so you can see they're next to Bluetooth. Click this forward arrow, and there you go. You can see the HD user facing or whatever camera drives that you have in your Windows. Here you need to do a right click and go with uninstall device. Okay, so it will confirm your action, go with uninstall. And the moment you've uninstalled this device, don't worry because the moment you've clicked this action and go with scan for hardware changes, it will be automatically installed again in your device. Okay, once done, check if your problem has been fixed. Okay, and you need to restart your computer first before you check if your problem has been fixed. Okay. So the next step that I could recommend you to do is at the start icon again, we'll be navigating the same process, which we need to open our device manager. So do a right click, scroll up and go with device manager, expand it first. And this time you need to go with display adapters. Okay. So click this forward arrow and there you go. You could see the graphic cards that you have. Okay. So once you have marked it, do a right click, scroll down, and this time you need to go with properties. And here in the graphics properties, proceed to driver and go with update driver. So here in this new window, it will opt you to choose two options between automatically and manually. Go with manually search for drivers and then go with let me pick from a list of available drivers in my computer. Here you need to check one by one whatever or how many graphic cards available in your computer. Just try that one first, the other two, the other three, and check what will work for you. Okay? And let's say if it doesn't still fix your problem, then go with update driver again and go with the first one, which is search for automatically for drivers. And if your machine says that the best drivers are already installed in your device, proceed to search for updated drivers in Windows. So this will take some time. It depends on the network connection that you are connecting with, but I'm sure it will fix your problem. Just have to finish the process and you need to restart your computer. Okay? So once you have restarted your computer, I'm sure your problem will be fixed. Okay? So the last method that I could recommend you is here under the display adapters, you can see there Intel R UHD graphics, which is the name of my graphics. You need to visit the manufacturer website. It could be HP, Dell, Lenovo, or the Intel, and search for this. Just paste this and then download it in your computer. And I'm sure your problem will be fixed. Okay, so those are the steps on how to fix your camera which face an error. Hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.